Hey everybody, this is Brian and back again with another project. I am repotting a Monstera Deliciosa. You see I strung up the air roots here just so I could mist them a little bit easier. It's not really meant to look like this or be like this, but I knew this was a temporary spot and just wanted to make it a little easier on myself. The spot that it's in, it gets decent light. It's in a bathroom that has some skylights. So it gets a lot of indirect light during the day, but we want to get this thing some more light. And if you've paid attention at all to my channel, you know I'm trying to grow everything as big as possible. So we're going to get it in some direct sunlight in a different room in a bigger pot. So first things first, I've got to get the new pot ready. This is a pot that I've had outside with a Musabasju banana in it. So I've got to get that out first. The next thing I'm doing here, I'm taking the Monstera out of its existing pot. And I'm doing this at this point because I want to be able to see the roots and understand how much space I need to leave in the new pot to put the plant in it. Note as I take this plant out, I'm not pulling on it at all because it's got a pretty small diameter stem there. And if I pulled on this plant at all, it's going to rip and separate from the roots. So it's about shaking it a little bit and rolling it and some gentle digging around the edges and just getting it to slide out of the pot. I can't pull on this plant at all. So always be careful if you're going to pull on a plant, make sure that it can take it, and don't pull on plants that have small attachments to their roots. Next, I'm layering in dirt and perlite to get the pot filled to the right height. The roots aren't very deep on this thing, so I fill the pot up pretty high. Now to place the plant in the pot, first I've got to untangle the air roots. So I'm just separating those, making sure they're not tangled up. And with the plant settled now and in position, I can fill up around the roots with more dirt and perlite. I get the moss stake back in position. And I'm going to temporarily wrap the air roots around the plant just so they're out of the way. And when I move the pot, I'm not going to damage the air roots because I am going to move this on the hand cart here. I prepare the spot on the inside. I've got it all ready to go. And so now I can bring the pot in and get it into position. Once it's placed on the stand that I have for it, I'm able to unwrap the roots and get the pot cleaned up. So this Monstera is now in its new home and it should be happy in this pot, in this space for a long time. I gave it a giant pot, so looks a little funny right now, but as it grows, I won't have to move it and put it in a different pot and it'll get good direct sunlight here every day. So thanks for watching. Share this video with somebody you think could learn some things about taking care of tropical and subtropical plants inside and outside in cold weather environments. Happy growing.